I'm with Dr. Bradley Nelson of the Emotion Code, of course, the wonderful book, Emotion Code and the Body Code. And so we are planning a body code workshop in Cocoa Beach, Florida, live, where you get to hang out with like-minded people on July 23rd and 24th, 2022. And so I am so grateful to you, Dr. Brad, that you're here. So why would people want to come to the body code workshop?
Well, imagine imagine having the ability to really truly know why your child maybe is in pain, uh, maybe why your child keeps wetting the bed. Imagine being able to figure that out and correct that. Imagine being able to help a friend who's been struggling to conceive a child for 5 years and is at the end of her wits and at the end of her money. Imagine being able to help her by figuring out what the real true underlying causes of her problem are and helping her to address those. And then imagine getting a phone call from her saying that she's pregnant and she has you to thank. Imagine being able to help your father who has suffered from low back pain for 20 or 30 years and helping him to get out of his pain, even though he's on the other side of the country. Imagine being able to help your mother to figure out why she has these symptoms that are being diagnosed as cancer, and to figure out the real underlying causes and finding out that it was some traumatic things that happened to her when she was a child that you never even maybe knew about. All of these things and more can be done. The body code provides a way for you to be able to tap into the subconscious mind. And that's your own subconscious mind or the subconscious mind of another person. And that subconscious mind has all the answers about what's really wrong with you or what's wrong with them. And the body code is the simplest, easiest, most effective method of energy healing that's ever been devised. And I'm coming to Cocoa Beach to teach it to you. And this can change your whole entire life. So I really do hope that you'll be able to attend this because you don't want to miss it.
Absolutely. Mark your calendars, pack your bags, do whatever you can, start saving your pennies, do whatever you need to do to take your life back. And this is a great way and a great tool to start that. The event is on July 23rd and 24th. It's a 2-day event, and you can do the general admission or general admission with the VIP, which is the VIP. And there's different perks associated with the VIP as well. And so please consider attending. Go to whenyouneedafriend.com, click on the pop-up, take advantage of early registration, and let's start healing together. Thank you so much, Dr. Brad, for coming to Florida and helping everybody start their journey with learning the body code.
Yeah, we'll see you there in July.
We'll see you there. Bye.